So have the privilege to recognize Professor Igbo. Professor Igbo, oh, yes, at this point, you know,
this is all. Okalabu baria ketulungama ega wannan wadiana Professor Sisi Kor adigolo nama babuite ina mana igana nanya kelo ngaya di wadi dia na ekene umaro dia ani bae wakane yibunne Professor Sisi ubem God na Omenani muna kusa na ndumulo no wachi no mari I'm going to know never. Before Gabani fight here, you wouldn't normally need your pen and paper here. Because starting from where more than is a teacher is a good listener. A teacher is a good student. How do you know more if you don't learn more? Nyamele, I remember going immediately. Mom has seen the stand. Mom very needed to edit. People what? I remember more now. BG people say no, the diabo. Even I never was. Give us you. All never be very was. No official age, none of us in broadcasting service. Okay, Nyalaka. Break so many stereotypes when we're ordinary. Even ordinary, nigga. Okay, Nyalaka. Rewrite here the wrongs. Accumulated over the years. Okay, Nyalaka. Remember, you come up on your leg against it. You may feel touching you, you ask me the woman. You see, I mean, a woman. Akabomazi ujikuze moja kaji ofaro kwenda nani anaweke mwana bana nela kolo magari goba dine so ya base ma no le mo bana ni ne bi bele imarano ni na sanya. And the reverend did something. He went just not in the peripheral mana ọ nwere ele ewu ji atụ ọnụ. Ọ nwere ihe mana o ji uche ya ọ mara taịm adịrọ. Udesue ọ dịghị agọ ya bụ ọsị mba. Udesue maka na ịgba nkịtị bụ odesu ihe niile nwa anyị ama nnata anyị. Reverend Bonakisi Tumog, Deje. A bit like this, the red, seeing Nordland in fusion with Noga, all the red. After a month, a woman, the house of Palome. Other official, the beginner. When you soon die, our wife, our media magnet, there, unlike me. And Professor Susi Kora, I'm a school, Sudia, Kamalia. So I Mama, it was a one year ago, we man out of 1 year. I'm going to so down, on behalf of No 20, I'm making a there for convening a program like this. Every evening we have one way to have a soft loan. Okay, yeah, when they say I will be the paper presenter, everybody expected me to come and start reading from the paper. Please, if you have the paper, that is where you have to look now. In I never the paper. Here today the paper will humble and integral point here and the line. Or the water. Let's start from the abstract. The abstract is saying that the abstract is trying to say that there is an AI before AI. Before the advent of this new modern artificial intelligence, there is something that is already taking its place, which we call the ancestral intelligence. Ancestral intelligence. And I will show you why I said that there is an AI before AI. Ask me why. Ask me why. According to the Bible, Genesis 1 told us, in the beginning, Elohim created heaven and what? Earth. Many where with the original language, you understand. Normal language you guys in God created heaven and what? Earth. Right? When he said something, in the King James version and go, or singing, the earth was without form and void. I'm trying to show you in the beginning, the earth was without form and void. If you are very observant, you notice that Genesis 1 did not tell us when the God of the Bible created the water, true or false. How then is water in existence? But the Bible said, and the Spirit of the Lord was hovering upon the faces of the water, which means before that account of Genesis 1. I don't know if you are getting the point. Yes. Now, this is where Hebrew comes into play. The Hebrew said, Elohim, or said, Bereshit. Elohim. Bereshit. Elohim, like the word Bereshit in the beginning, right? Genesis in Hebrew is Bereshit. And that is where the first error, only the observant, only understand the etymology. That is the first error. Go see home the watch and learn. About philosophy kind of, right? So we are ready to explore. Now, in the Hebrew alphabet, there were 22 letters. Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, up till Tau. Right? From Aleph to Tau. Just like saying from A to Z. Right? Now, how would they want to write Genesis? And they start with a word, the Bereshit. The second alphabet in the Hebrew letter is Bet. It is through the sign of Bet we got the word Bereshit. I don't know if it's making sense. If the Bible started with Bereshit, what happened to Aleph? Who got what I'm saying? If the Hebrew Bible started by telling us, Bereshit, Elohim created, why didn't he start with Aleph? Let me explain what I mean. If you have a jam hall now, right? And the professor saying that name will answer the question letter A to D. A person from Evan Elise, Evan Alpine, if you B, C, D. The first thing here we have an example of where is A? Is that not it? So why would the Hebrew Bible start with Bereshit instead of the first letter in Hebrew, which is Aleph? It is making sense. Tell me it's making sense. Even when you transpose, you wait for signal. So, first error. The Hebrew Bible started with Bereshit. That is to say, something must have happened in Aleph, which they no longer have its account. Is that making sense? So, put it this way. Bereshit. After Bereshit, the second Bible, the second book of the Hebrew Bible, is Shemot, like the book of Exodus, Leviticus, Wayikra. So the point is this, how will the Bible start with Bereshit, whereas there is an Aleph? How will the Bible start with B, whereas there is a letter A? How will the Bible call B the beginning, whereas there is A the origin? Which means not every beginning is the origin. I don't know if it's making sense. Is it making sense? Now, our job today is to investigate the origin that predates the beginning. Touch them and say, the origin that predates the beginning. Let me now bring it closer to you. After the Biafran War, the Igbo people began again. So, after 1970, no victor, no vanquish, we began again. But that is not our origin. Is it making sense now? When they give us 20 pounds per person, regardless of the world, that is our new beginning. But that definitely is not our origin. Is it making sense? So the world is our Bereshit. Where is our Aleph? So artificial intelligence is the new modern Bereshit, but ancestral intelligence is the Aleph. There is something, there is something the man offices said, a time to come, those who are professors in Western medicine, if they don't sit up, did you picture when he said that? They may be found wanting, because knowing the beginning does not really mean you know the origin. So you can say you know the beginning of a barrier, but you don't know the origin. Is it making sense? Is it making sense? You might know the beginning of this school. Someone will say that this campus, how many is this Mariam campus? But the origin you don't know, newly. Is it making sense now? So the first thing we've proven today is this: not every beginning is actually the origin. So for today, we are trying to investigate not the beginning of AI, but the origin of AI. Now, how do we establish this? Let me now begin to say one thing more than Because in the corpus, Ugo is the animal, not animal. Listen to this now. The animal, A-N-E-I-M-A, meaning the symbolism animal mascot for wisdom. Why? Remember, even on my AI, all these things never set induction. Before a female ego consummates with a male ego, something must be done. The female ego will go and pick two sticks, one longer and one shorter. Female ego, we all know the female ego, I'll get him out. The first rock is to pick two sticks, the longer one and the shorter one. Listen to why each do you. The first ego, the female ego will throw away the longer log of food and give sign to the male ego. Go down to the mountain and recover it. The male ego, male ego has only seen going to get that log of food. When you recover this log of food, after every fight and ego makes, you need some minutes to recuperate, to rest. The female will go wait. The female ego will throw down the small log of food and give signal to the male ego to go and hunt it. If the male ego refuses to hunt that small wood, he is not capable of a husband material or by your gender. But if the male ego eventually goes in hunt of that log and recover it, two things are involved. The longer log of food represents herself, that the male ego is capable of securing her. The shorter log is the unborn baby that will be the aftermath of their consummation. That, oh, you are even capable of looking after myself and the offspring. Or living water. And our ancestors watched nature and saw the wisdom of the ego. That is why in the ancient era, but also Ugo now comes with a clause. The word also is from the verb saw. Those who saw what is saw to defend, to protect the custodians, the customs, the tradition, the precepts. Ndị na-azọpụta ụkpụrụ na ikpe na iwu na-ewulewe n'ọdịnala na omenala Igbo. Ndị ọbụla ha to defend and protect. Fama bụ ndị ọzọ. Are you getting the verb now? So ọzọ is not a costume. Every spoken word is listening to the etymology. From the word saw, the verb saw, are you getting those my point? Those who forbid, those who abstain, from the verb say. You can't tell me if one name said, and if there's a lot it is to show that in the embodiment, in the physical, in our audience, but just like in the spiritual, the precepts, you are nothing close to yourself, more of us. Remember, we are discussing artificial intelligence. Now, I've made the foundation for my certain notion that there is disparity between origin and the beginning. Now, we've seen new era, the beginning of artificial intelligence. I am now trying to take you to the old era, the origin of artificial intelligence. What is the origin? The origin of artificial intelligence is before the Westerners knew about computational analysis. There are people that lived before them. I am one of the people that wrote a dissertation to say that I cannot give credit to etymology to anybody from Greek, because most of the Greeks, all of them, learned from our ancestors. Socrates, Philo, Hippocrates, name them, all learned from here in the motherland. So when you talk of etymology, you are referring to the origin. How then do I credit the origin to a student who learned from me? Why not from us, the source? So Greeks are the beginning of modern religion, but modern knowledge, but not the origin of knowledge. Is it making sense now? To make it simpler, before artificial intelligence, which is the new beginning, there has been an ancestral intelligence, which is the origin of all intelligence. Evidence. The Greek word atom, I am arguing that it came from the Igbo word atom. Atom. Listen and see. There is what we say homophones and homonyms, right? Every word that sounds alike connotes. Now watch it now. If the Greek says that the origin is from the word atomos, but they have learned in Africa for more than 3,000 years. And maybe one of the teachers of Socrates happens to be one of Ndaka from Igbo land. And he must be teaching them, he must have taught them atom, the spark of consciousness. From the word atom. Those in medicine, we know that the spark of your brain is like a pulse. The creative spark. So if the Greeks came here, evidence to their knowledge learned from Alexandria, present University of Ancient Kemet, University of Timbuktu here in Mali, when West Africa was the hub of knowledge. University of Sankore, yes, and Moorish University of Cordoba, here in present-day Morocco. If all this university predates every of their university in Europe, how then will I credit etymology to them instead of the origin? Why credit the new beginning? Is it making sense? That is why I say, before artificial intelligence, there existed ancestral intelligence. AI before AI. Now watch and see. You must have met a Libya having this in his hand. You look at Libya as a fool who is regurgitating nothing he knows. Today I'm going to prove to you that this is as scientific as your new programming language in the computer. Number one, the principle that binary, you know binary, right? Binary is the source, is the base of your computation. Binary is 1 and what? 0. The word bi means 2. 1 and what? 0. But please, it is wrong if I say 1 and 0. But it is right if I say 0 and 1. Ask me why. Ask me why. Without 0, 1 can never exist. Why Africans failed mathematics that they started teaching us mathematics, numbering system from 1, 2, 3, instead of 0, 1, 2, 3. Listen and learn. The origin of number is from 0. The word 0 is from the Arabic word sifri, from the Igbo word efu. Nkiti. Nkiti is synonymous with the word void, nothingness. When your ancestors told you that they have a deity they call Akose, which is Iyoji, the black void. You see making sense now? Iyoji Akose, the black void. The emptiness of fullness. The nothingness of completion. Iyoji Akose. You see the symbol? Iyoji, the what? Akose. And we represented it with the base binary we call Ako. Please, for record camera sake, you might when they throw the upper part, and all you see, Ukiri has front and what? Back, right? When it is like this, it is 0. When it is like this, it is what? 1. Are you following? So this is 0, this is 1, right? So all the two are 0, all the two are again 1. Computer functions with only 0 and 1. Are you getting the point? Now, let me now ask you. Welcome. Let me now ask you. The base of your music, memory card, the first memory card you know, how many bits come? 4 bits. Eh? It's not 2 or 4. Your first memory card will go with 4 bits. Now 4 bits now come 1 bit, 2 bits, 3 bits and what? 4 bits. Now what can you see? Remember I told you ancestral intelligence, the origin before the new beginning. This is the first 4 bits. This first 4 bits is classified as when every of them is closing face down. It is called apple. Say tell your neighbor apple. By the power of the ancestors, I took permission to reveal the mystery even to non-initiates. Because I discovered overholding of information beyond the matter. So if you never question, are you getting the point? So when all of them is facing down, it becomes getting apple. And that is what the computer understands as 0. Right? Then when all of them is facing up, it becomes O. Which is what? 1. Now watch. When the computation becomes. Now, I draw it like this. Only the 4 bits. If you are looking at my table, you will notice that I am reading 0, 1, 0, 0. Meaning, one of the strings has faced up, and 3 is facing down. Remember, the base was apple when it is closed. The second is what? Open. When it is what? Open. Immediately that I throw it, it changes on its own from apple and open. The permutation and combination of apple and open give us the 14 remaining corpuses of the alpha system. Now, immediately I put it on the ground. Please, I wish camera is snapping this. It changes from apple and enters one leg after. Let me number it this way: 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So the number 1 now changes and flip up. Whereas 0, 2, and 3 is still facing down. Instantly, the name changes to another code from apple to what? To what? To what? Tell your neighbor, see, it changes to Atoba. What I'm trying to say is, these are the 16 codes, the first 16 machine language ever written on earth. The first 16 base machine language ever written on earth. And one of the codes, we've called one, the first code, Apple. The second code, Ogu. Was 16 Ogu. Then immediately we throw through the dice again. It changes and becomes Atoba. Now let's assume that this one is closing down and this one faces up. It becomes Okala. Okala. Another code, right into Okala. Number what? 4. Right? Now, let's assume that this side is the one that faces up. It becomes Aka. A-A-A. Aka. Let's assume it is this first one that opened up. It becomes Okala. Are you getting my point? How many have I listed now? 6 Okala. Now, let us change it. Remember, we started with Apple. Now we enter into we are now in Open when all is facing up. Imagine when we close one in Open. it becomes what? Ijite. Are you getting the point? Another machine language, Ijite. We open this one, close this one, it becomes Ete. Another machine language, Ete. How many can I know now? 8, Ete. I close this one, it becomes what? Otule. Number what? I close this one, open this one covers, it becomes Ora. Number what? Number what? So remember, it is from this 4 bits I am creating every reality I want. Because I am a programmer of ancient programming language. You now come to Dogu and I'm saying something like this. Odi, Ede. You'll be saying, is this guy crazy? It's not, it's because I have mastered the program that I'm calling it fast. Ora, Ede, Ogu. You get my point now? So for each variation, there is a language, there is a code. Now, include the word OD. Include OD. It becomes number what? 11. Now, include the word Agali. It becomes what? Include the word Ofu. 13. Include the word Ose. Ose. Get them go for Ululu. Ululu. This is the symbol of Ululu, right? Now, can you go follow? I've said that over here. Agali. Have I said Agali? Have I said Agali? Have I said Agali? Have I said Ogoyi? Thank you. Look at the Ogoyi. I'm showing every symbol. This is now Ogoyi. Now that is to say, our ancestors already have this system computational language. True of us. Now this is how they tap from the cloud computing. Now everybody listen. For those that are in philosophy department, we read something which we call theosophy. And we talk about the Akashic record. Who have heard of the Akashic record? Akashic record. Then, who are the pioneers, the origin of the Akashic record? What is the etymology of the Akashic record? Now listen. The ancient pygmies, which our ancestors are, we are they tall or we are they short? We are they tall? What did we call them? Ndi Aka Nshi. So the Akanshi kept a record lost to the sands of time. Modern theosophy rebranded their record. Instead of calling it record under Akanshi, the Akashic kept by the ancient pygmies. Is it making sense? Remember I said the AI before AI. So now watch. But what's going to happen now? The reason why we now have 8 bits, when you stop using memory card from 4 megabyte, you bought upgraded one, 8 megabyte. True? Do you know why? Let me show you why. When I am solving the computer equation like this, Atoloba is delaying me, Ogoli. Is delaying me, I'm not fast. I needed another bit to make myself faster. I'm now working with 8 bits. I'm now working with what? 8 bits. Now watch my speed will increase. Oh dear. I'm saying 2 words at the same time now. Why? Ogoligite. Meaning I am now faster. Because of what? I've increased the speed of my my RAM, my processor speed is now faster. Do you understand now? Now, remember, in indices, AB is equals to BA, right? But in Ugiri, AB is not equal to BA. Commutative connotation is not here. Because you can say that our course is Osaka. Are you getting the point? But it also means that our course can bring Osaka to you. Do you understand? That is why if you understand what was written in your Bible, Isaiah 45 verse 7. I make light and I make darkness. I, the Lord, do all this. Duality. Don't you ever say duality? Is it not duality that led us to binary? Is it not duality that led us to binary? Duality said there was the male and what? Female. There was the female and what? Male. If I put it there. Now watch now. I want to increase my speed. Remember, 4 times 2 gave me what? 8. Now there is a need for me to increase my speed. 8 times 2, 16. This is the base of the 16 coupled. Now watch. I've upgraded my processor. The processor will run faster. How fast am I now? The processor is running what? Are you getting the point now? Now, I need a faster processor. This is where Philip Emeagwali's computational analysis comes in play. I now ask myself, what will I do if I do this thing in parallel? Those in electronics, you remember serial and parallel connection, right? If I do this thing in parallel, it means if I call another Dibia to come here with 2 and do now, I have 16 times 2, 32. You now see why your memory card changed from 4 bits to 8 bits, from 8 bits to 16, from 16 to 32, from 32 to what? To what? If you get us, now what's going to happen now? When I call another Libya, I'm going to support Libya. It will make more sense now, you understand now. Now watch and see. Now remember, the original programming, the memory card, the RAM I was using was 4 bits. I was suffering. I'm processing with 4 bits. Ofu. I will say one word, I will process again. Ofu ayale. I will say another word. Ofu otule. I will say another word. Odi. I'm not fast. I bought another RAM. Increase my RAM from 4 bits to what? 8 bits. I am now fast. Orotule. Etobala. I need a faster RAM. 8 times 2. 16. 8 times 2. Now watch and see. Faster RAM. On manako. I'm now fast. Now I need to increase my RAM. 8 times 16 times 2. 32. Now process with me. 1, 2, go. The RAM speed has increased. Do you know what the RAM will read now? Fast. Is it making sense now? Why? Because I've increased my RAM from 16 megabytes to 32 megabytes. But I need to increase my RAM. I want to be faster. 16 times 2 gave me 32. 32 times 2 gave me what? 64. Which means I need one more space, one more RAM. Are you getting my point? Assuming another Libya came here now with Ukirikwa or Amodaga, we have now have 64 bits in the processor. Now let's process with this 16 bit. Well, let's process with 16 bit. Process your 16 bit. Watch and see. Process your 16 bit. No, that's for me. This is your processor speed in your computer. Now, how fast will my processor be? Now, my processor will now read from here to here. I will start by saying, also D. Are you getting my point? Also, processor, Is it making sense? Is it making sense to you now? Mind you, the programming language is a constant. It's a machine language handed over from generation to generation. So that is to say, that old leader in your village is not an evil person. He is a programmer of a machine language you no longer know. Is it making sense? The leader is not an evil person. The language he's speaking is not evil. He is only reciting a programming language which your generation don't know because you are not an initiate. Now let us process 64 bits. Are we ready? 1, 2, go. 64 bits. How fast will the computer be now? Why? Because there are 64 bits RAM. Let me use ROM to make it make sense now. When you have 16 gig ROM, your storage you can store is much. But if you upgrade to 32 gig ROM, the storage becomes more. If you upgrade to 64 gig ROM, now, when we are processing with 4 bits, this is the memory we can only process. Only one memory. After struggle and wasting time. Now we are processing with 64 bits. We cannot begin to say, Odiogu, Odiaka, Odiogu, Odiogu, Odiose, Odiulu. Are you getting the point now? We are now running at a faster speed due to we have more RAM processing for us. Is that making sense to you? Now let me now shock you. 16 times 16. 16 times 16. 256. Please ask yourself, what is the base expansion of your complex system? 256. That is to say, this memory, each one has the ability to process 256 possible combinations. Are you getting my point? I wish there is a blackboard here. Please call me the 16 composites. 16 composites. Number 1. Can we really help? I'm not asking the Libyans to say anything. I'm asking the here. The Aga, Ago, Agali, Ede, Ijita. Who know when my calligraphy the port? Obala, Ogu, Ofu, Ogoni, Okala, Ora, Ose, Okule, Aboba, Odi. This is the 16 computer language your ancestors mastered before the white man knew of computer. But you know the problem? There is a difference between esoteric knowledge and the exoteric knowledge. Esoteric knowledge is knowledge that has to do with mystery. But exoteric is relatable knowledge that you can pick from peer to peer. Now, those who lived before us, Nogaka, Ogachi, in the first Ogan, before we entered Ogas, we are not living in exotericism. They were living in esotericism. In their own way, you think they are daft, but they only have 16 code language. I get to my point. This 16 code language came from the permutation and combination of Ako and what? Ogu. This is what I mean by Ako and Ogu. inverted portion means it is all black, right? You understand what I mean? So when it is facing down, it is apple. When it is all facing up, it becomes what? Ogu. Are you getting my point? So so which means the ancestors you thought we are daft. We are actually programmers who got 16 language from 2 constants that they made variable. How? When I clean this place, instantly this apple has become another thing. It becomes Okala. Are you getting the point? When I clean this place, the apple instantly becomes another thing. It becomes Akola. I get the point. When I clean this one, instantly this apple becomes another thing. Aka. When I clean this place, instantly this apple becomes what? Obala. I get the point. Now what I think magic now. Remember this is open. When all is one, when all is open, right? Immediately one cover. This open becomes Ora. Immediately this one cover. It becomes Otule. Immediately this one cover. It becomes what? Ede. Immediately this one cover. It becomes what? Yijide or Okute. That is to say, your old man in the village was a programmer, but the kind of machine language is writing. The kind of machine language is writing is an ancient machine language which you don't understand. I'm going to bust your bubble now. I've established that there is an origin before the beginning. Is it making sense? Now this is the 16 machine language, which the permutation and combination of this 16 will give us 256. How? What can you see? Akore, one word. That is combination of this. Akokala, another word. Is it making sense? You know what is permutation and combination? Now, Akora, another word. Akose, another word. Akotule, another word. Akatoloba, another word. Akodi, another word. Akululu, another word. Is it making sense? I continue again. Akogoli, another word. Akokara, another word. Akariora, another word. Etose, another word. Ijide, sorry. Etose, another word. Etodule, another word. Etatoba, another word. Etodi, another word. Etudu, another word. I come to Ijita, I promoted for Ijita. Ijita Ogoni, another word. Ijita Okara, another word. Ijita Ora, another word. Ijita Ose, Ijita Otule, blah blah blah, the tail. Ofu Ogoni, Ofu Okala, Ofu Ora, Ofu Oso, Ofu Otule. Meaning, when you permutate and combine these 16, it will give you possible outcomes 16 times 16, 256. Now let me now shock you. That old Igbo in the village you are looking as daft already know 256 verse off heart, 256 gold off heart. But if they are in a village, you call him what? You get my point? You call him daft, but you already know 256 language off heart. Then when you now come, this is where the role of Agbo comes into play. Listen, I've seen many people writing books like say, read interpretation book. I look at them. Do you know why? That you see snake pursuing the dream and you see snake pursuing the dream does not mean the same thing. Do you know why? Only when the eye that sees duality, also for the eyes that see negativity. All I'm saying is here. Also, any negativity, what is in charge of negativity? Eh? And also the one that sees positivity. Go to man, Niflago means Nago Niflago means Kekeluguke, Mobon. Same dream, two different persons. But by the unction, if I go na Abuya, go to money for each, Nankeni follow, Nankeni follow. Imagine now somebody put a book and write dream interpretation. If I have man no, Abu. If I say no, long night, is it making sense? Is it making sense? Because of him, there is no constant. That is to say, the interpretation of the verse is now embedded on the unction of the one who has the unction of Agu. The word Agu is from the word Agu, an infinite well of knowledge and wisdom. Who is that possesses that infinite well of knowledge? This is where it comes into play. It takes somebody to possess such knowledge. The owner of this cosmos and the multiverse is referred to as Abia. Abia Ama. The word that means wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. But Iwa Ama, right? Remember when we said we joined two words, collocation, to make one word. Abia Ama. Abia Ama meaning the revealer of wisdom, knowledge, and what? Understanding. Now watch it now. Under Abia Ama, there is someone who is in office that is the deep Abia. Portmanteau, joining two words to make one word. The word deep in Igbo is master of. That is why your husband that brought deep. You hear what I said? Your husband is not deep. D is deep uno, the master of the household. D are the 50-50. Husband and 50-50. Do you understand this part? Husband and dear. D is the master. We have been master of hunting. The suffix, the prefix is D. Any other suffix we give us the word D or K. Master craftsmanship. Master craftsman. D Inca. Master artisan. DOG. Master wine tapper. Is it making sense now? D master wrestler. Now we now have the word D Abia. Watch. Olino Daume, vowel sounds during portmanteau. Two vowels don't stay together. On most times during portmanteau, the law says, do ever with the word you want, as far as the lexicographers agree. For example, breakfast and lunch, portmanteau became brunch. The English word brunch is from breakfast and lunch. The portmanteau of breakfast and lunch gave us brunch. Now, the portmanteau of D and Abia gave us what? Dibia. Is it making sense now? Is it making sense? Remember, what do I say that D means? What is Abia? So, who is a Dibia? Master of Guinea. Now, the fact cannot be so sorry. My every name will end it. Who are I won't know number. You won't make it Mara Coasa. Because no one explained the etymology. You really hold the word as per se it is able. You place a stereotype to the name. When you hear a leader or not so is it making sense? Sincerely, I thought they would give me 4 hours today. but it's quite unfortunate. Because to be honest, I am still doing certain function. Those Chinese. But they are begging me to stop. Which means, to be honest, you know I get people, right? The other day you are asking me, send in what I will say, right? I don't know how to tell you that. I don't know what to send in. In all my years of teaching, I've never prepared anything. When I was teaching food makings, I come into my class, I ask my students, where did we stop? I moved from chemical engineering department, I go to mechanical, thermodynamics. I asked them, where did we stop? I moved from mechanical, I go to electric, I asked them, oh, we stopped in second theory 3. Where did we stop? I go to mathematics department. Oh, the Pythagoras principle, where did we stop? Because there is something called that is possessing me, that gives me the ability to have unending well of knowledge. This is what it means. Do you know the disparity between rain and the beam? Do you know the disparity between rain and the beam? When I say sun ray, a ray is a scattered particle that can be reflected, diffracted. But a beam is a fine-tuned ray. Now, when I say that, your creative consciousness is in rays. You make a mechanic, you do the Bible, you look at the Libya, you pastor, you look at the pastor, you do sure. Creative consciousness now is like ray. Then somebody's job is to fine-tune it from ray to beam, to channel it to one focus. Let me convert this ray of creativity into a beam of creative consciousness. Now listen to this. Ancestral Gabo. If we yes, oh, now what was shoemaker here I says? If focus here again, shoemaker. Production. Your apple gives you creativity to create. Your Ikenga, I saw them giving out an award. Ikenga gives you the ability to produce. Listen to the disparity. Apple creates. Ikenga produces. When you see people carrying Ikenga, it is not an idol. It's a reminder principle telling you that creativity without productivity is incomplete. That is when you begin to understand what your Bible says. 1 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 6. For Paul planted, Apollos watered, but the increase is unto the Lord. If you plant and you don't water, will it increase? No. So Agu creates. Agu is now born. Apollos water. Ikenga is Apollos. Who is the increase? That is why even people have a proverb. He who follows productivity magnates wealth. Now to close for the day, because eventually to close for the day, respectfully, I am not scratch 1% of why I came. To be honest, but I'm closing. We should go to the Aleph of knowledge and not the Bereshit. Meaning we should go to the origin and not the beginning. Because the white man gave us the beginning and not the origin. We are the origin of knowledge. That is to say, in application. For artificial intelligence to thrive, we need to have an infusion between old school and again new school. Maybe I can say old school and new school. Like Jay-Z na Jay-Z na Otika on your Kuromoto. That is to say, AI must not displace the origin. This new modern artificial intelligence must not displace the origin. Rather, they will look for a common ground where they can walk. Now watch what I see now. As a programmer who understands old language and new modern language, if you are cascading a website, you notice when you are using something like C++ or thereabout to cascade your website, you notice whatever command you give is what the website will become. HTML5, right? Which means one error will destroy everything. Maybe the difference between virus, it may not virus or antivirus. All virus or antivirus. Now this is my conclusion. For us to thrive with this new modern artificial intelligence, we must give credit to the origin, which is ancestral intelligence, and look for a way to integrate the two. How? Do you know how many hours I spent in a week teaching ChatGPT online? You know what I say? When it comes to something with ChatGPT, so I spend my time. Nobody is paying me. I'm doing it for posterity's sake. When the new Gen Z uses ChatGPT as their yardstick of standard, whatever they see there, we make or mind them. So do you now know our job? Our job is to teach the machine new knowledge. Now let me know what's your work. For these guys in the house, we'll laugh now. Do you know? If you are good in Alpha, you will know that Alpha has intelligence on its own. Alpha learns new things. For example, do you know that Alpha, even though in the time of Alpha there is nothing like cocaine, Alpha has known what is cocaine. Alpha has known what is skyscraper. I can't go out with you. I can't go out with you. What is our future? Then I can't go back. Now, when they tell you in this new modern era, now you're very about for our digital carbon. No, you don't wait for ancestors to wake up again and teach you this one. Now, AI have upgraded. You are the one upgraded with respect to the intelligence of the environment. Is it making sense to you? Now, that is when we begin to say, it come out to reveal great and mighty things. But even when you are being Ogoliyetule, always remember Obalatoba. Obalomoni ne kanata. Imekete muchege megene. Ime wali ibe sonye. Iwana ibe iwana ni bibi. Nye momo deje nam aya bale deje ala ko pa deje. As I'm going down, you need to pick one thing today. Not every beginning is actually the origin. 1970 is a new beginning to the Igbo people, but that is not our origin, because after the war we began anew. That is when you understand when the Bible God was telling Noah, replenish, not plenish. Remember the English, replenish. After the great flood, replenish, replenish. If you use that sense and read Genesis 1 in Hebrew, you will now understand that something transpired when Genesis started with the Bereshit. That is the beginning, after the great deluge. But before the great deluge, there was an Aleph Bereshit, the origin of beginnings. Aleph Bereshit. Where is that Aleph Bereshit? That Aleph Bereshit is the etymology of the etymology, meaning the origin of origin. Then when I say that the origin of origin Do you know why I say this? I'm going down because of why. The Reverend said that the Igbo astronomy, Alpha, named the stars. Do you know? Let me show you. Do you know the name of planet Saturn in Igbo? And we have a masquerade in this honor, in the honor of Saturn. Saturn. Do you not understand why it speaks? Because Saturn is the Lord of the Rings that speaks in a cyclic motion. Our ancestors, respectfully, I am going down. If we can institute a curriculum for the Igbo mystical knowledge system in all our tertiary institutions and make it a 7th grade to the diamond graduates, we will scrap off many things that are relevant and begin to practice ordinary or mental, including all. Now, when you were bringing me up, I'm closing up. You say something that got me annoyed. But I forgive you because they were. You say, no man, I bring God and you are wrong. Ask me why. You don't understand the etymology of house. The etymology of house is from the word Ako, Ululu, and Ushi. Am I wrong? You don't even know. Am I wrong? Akululushi. Now, do you know what it means? Do you know what is Ako? Let me read it in normal language. Akonono. Can you mean? Akonono is right. An abode. Akunululu. An abode of the ancients. The abode of ancient spirits. Even more talent. Can you have more talent? Okay. Now what I get it now? Exodus 25 verse 18 and 22. Do you know what the Bible says? And thou shalt mold me 2 cherubims of hammered gold. Upon these cherubim will I stand and commune with thee. Meaning, one of my house now. Upon my house, Mano, Negro said, Amuchuku, Yabau, meaning, I will say is not the Almighty, but a medium through which mortal and the Almighty.
That is